Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install or use iOS emoji for your Android phone. So for example, you can try iOS Instagram thread emoji pack. For example, you can download many sources. For example, the Instander app. If you prefer use this Instander, you can download Instander iOS emoji. But before that, you have to install and download Instander on your Android phone. And also there is iOS Instagram for Android here. And also from the APK Pure, you can download iOS emoji for your story. So but make sure your Android is a supported unknown resources. And also here you can try to download on Play Store. You can search on iOS emoji here. For example, this one, iOS emoji for Android, you can try to download it and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.